Hey guys, okay, so this is the swim start area for tomorrow and Sunday. It's so beautiful here. The tide's gone quite far back. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is the pier where we're going to go for a nice run. Well, this is the pier where we're going to continue our run. It's beautiful.
Hello everyone, I'm Jordan from all our team at OCEANMAN. First of all, we want to congratulate City of Catolica, Franca, all the team who is behind Filippo, Mark, all your team who is behind this great job done, because
Hey everyone, it's Monica. Say hi, Monica.
Hello everyone.
Wait, I'm going to get my microphone. I got it. Okay.
Microphone. Here we go. OCEANMAN Catolica. We are in the expo area and we are ready to represent our women. It's amazing to be together again. Go as well.
And always brilliant to be with you, Monica. Yes, here we are in the beautiful sunny Italy Catolica with all of our swimmers from around the world. Over 700 swimmers from close to 40 nations represented here.
security to lifeguards. Thanks to everyone who made this even happen, and we hope to see you
Morning, Filippo.
Good morning, Mr. Gordon.
Are you ready for today?
I'm all ready. I'm very ready.
It's a beautiful day. Weather is perfect. Today we've got the sprint,
Yes.
the kids and the teams race.
Yes.
And last night we had a crazy party. welcome our final team down the finish line. What an amazing job they've done today. Representing Ukraine. Welcome on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Il nome posso sapere? Sonia. Sonia, tu? Christine, benissimo, benvenuti a Oceanman. Allora, mentre raggiungete il riva, intanto vorrei dare un
lato corto in fondo al capogara, una boa gialla di giro e altre 4 di rettilineo. Quando arrivate qua alla fine del primo giro, mi raccomando, è l'unica cosa veramente
To the countless hours of training, the early mornings, and the sacrifices you've made to be here. As you gaze upon the vast expanse of the ocean, remember that you are not just swimming against the currents, you are swimming with purpose, with heart, and with the strength of every swimmer who has come before you. The OCEANMAN Catolica is more than just a race. It's a celebration of endurance, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of greatness. Today the ocean will test you, but it will also reveal your true character. Embrace the challenge. Let the rhythm of the waves guide you. Trust in the powers that lie within you. Every splash, every breath, and every heartbeat brings you closer to the finish line and the realization of your dreams. So dive into the blue with confidence, swim with passion, and emerge from the waters not just as participants, but as champions. Your journey today will inspire many and leave a legacy in the endless depths of the ocean. Swim strong, swim proud, and make every moment count. The ocean is calling, and it's time to answer with all your might.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we are standing by to all of our swimmers from 38 nations around the world. We are at the starters' orders. Stand by. Monica, you'll give us the countdown. Are you ready?
Can we start? Signore e signori, è arrivato il momento di partire. Are you ready to start? So I say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's race time!
Hey everybody, good morning and welcome to Catolica. So our full OCEANMAN race has literally just started. They're just behind me. They are doing 10 kilometers. It is the final day of the OCEANMAN Catolica. 5-kilometer race coming up a little bit from now. The finish line is just behind me. It's ready. It is an amazing day. Look at this beautiful weather though. It's just absolutely stunning.
Before you are not just a challenge, they are a testament early mornings and the sacrifices you made to be here. As you gaze upon the vast expanse of the ocean, remember that you are not just swimming against the currents. You are swimming with purpose, with heart, and with the strength of every swimmer who has come before you. The OCEANMAN Catolica is more than just a race. It's a celebration of endurance, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of greatness.
Ready? With your heartbeat, are you ready? With your energy, with your mind, with your soul, with your body, to race today 5 kilometers in a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, restart!
Well done. Well done. You've done it. You've done it. Well done. Smile, you legend. You've done it. Well done, guys. Well done, brother. I want a boat. Mark, do you want a boat?
Yeah.
That's not convincing, Mark. Come on, do you want a boat?
No, right now I just want a beer. I just want to chill out. The boat can come later.
It's all about priorities, eh? Yeah. Screw the boat. Give me the beer.
Yeah, the boat's not going to happen for a few years, I'm sure.
Yeah, all right, fine. All right. Hey, thank you for watching this YouTube video, and thank you for sharing the video as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the link down below, click subscribe and share it with your friends. Always striving to bring you some great content, and there's more to come. If you enjoyed this video, check out this one next.